Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can get flaky brows like me. I'm going to show you guys how I pluck my eyebrows, how I use the little scissors to cut them up, you know, slice them. I just do everything here at home. I don't let anyone else touch my eyebrows, just me. And this is how they came out. If my eyebrows are still a little red, it's because I do pluck them. And I use tweezers, slanted tweezers, and like just the regular straight tweezers. You'll see what I be using. You'll see what I be doing. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to know how to get your natural brows fleeky without having to get them done somewhere because you don't trust other people, or you really is just like, it's not that important, I just want them to look neat, keep watching. So first thing I'm doing is just showing you guys this mess of a face. So now we're gonna get started. First thing I do is take my brow razor and just go along the top of my eyebrows, and then I'm taking a wipe to wipe away all that little dry skin up there, you know, in the hair. And then we're just gonna take our slanted tweezers and start plucking at the hairs below our eyebrows, wiping away the hair that's coming off. Now I'm going all the way to the edge of my eyebrow to get those hairs that be there but they're not really part of your eyebrow, and then wiping that away. Well, I have some really bushy eyebrows, but you really just want to pluck them. At least that's what I do, and it doesn't hurt at all. Just make sure you're pulling your skin kind of tight so you get in the hair, you know. Yep, you know. Now we're taking the brow razor again and just doing the front part of our eyebrow, you know, make it look a little boxy, you know, like Instagram eyebrows, but only real and actually like natural looking. And then I'm just combing that with the little brow comb, and I'm brushing my eyebrows up so I could take these scissors and actually cut like the longer hairs. So I'm just brushing it up, cutting the longer hairs, and I just do this because my brows will stick up and no one has time for that. Now we're just going to take a spoolie and brush our brows and then go over everything again, but with the straight tweezers, just to like really get in there, get it cleaned up, get a perfect line. And that's all I'm doing really right here. Now that that's all done, we're just gonna go over it again with the spoolie just to fleek them, and that's that. Ooh, okay. Now this is the brow that I did that is obviously fleeked, and then here we go again. Ooh, look at my eyes. They're so cute. Like if you have brown eyes. Also look at the one I did not do. Ooh, that's bad. But I'm just gonna go do that off camera, and I'm showing you guys the difference. And when I come back, you'll see the other one done. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I actually just went and washed my face. I haven't put on no makeup, just cocoa butter after I washed my face. And my other eyebrows done. They not sisters, but they cousins. They look similar. And this video, I was just showing you guys how I do my natural brows, plucking, using a little brow razor, fixing them up, you know. I think I'm so cute, honestly. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to see more like skin related videos, is that what that is? Kinda. Hit the like button. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like this video, still hit the like button, because you can't tell me they not decent. So yeah, I'm gonna try to film another video today. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.